What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show what you can do just in case you have like these bulbs like this. A lot of these bulbs a lot of times may be in your outdoor lighting system to where, like, you know, with your motion detectors and all that. But when these bulbs go out, a lot of times you got to replace them. These could be pretty expensive. But before you replace these bulbs, what you want to do is check and make sure they're actually bad. Because a lot of times what's going to happen is the bulbs may not work, but it may actually not be bad because if you look inside of here where the contacts are, it actually makes contact inside your lighting system. You can actually get corrosion and stuff like that that's on these bulbs right here. So before you throw these bulbs away and replace them, what you want to do is you want to first, you can test it to be sure to make sure there's nothing wrong with your lighting itself, is just by taking a multimeter. I set this one to continuity and just take your two ends of it and put it on there. And see right here, this one's good. This light right here actually wasn't working at first, and I was about to throw it away, but I decided to test it. And when I tested it, it showed it wasn't working. But still what I did was I started looking at the ends of it. And when I checked the end of it, what I saw was it had like green and black stuff on one side of it. So what I did there was I just took some, you probably could take like some CRC cleaner or contact cleaner or something like that. I just cleaned off the end of the light bulb right here, the contact parts of it. I cleaned off both sides of it. And once I did that, as you can see now, the bulb is actually working right there. So it tells me this is a good bulb. Now this one right here is also not showing that it's working. If you can see, it's making no continuity in it. So this one could be bad, but when I looked at this one, I could see this side looks nice and silvery looking, but this side over here looks black. So that tells me that this side over here may be being blocked. It may have corrosion on it that's actually blocking it from making contact through it. So I'm going to do with this one also is clean it off with some contact cleaner and see if this one works also. But I want to make this video to show you what you can do before you throw these bulbs away, that you can actually just first of all test it with a multimeter to make sure that it's bad, it's not something going on with your lighting itself. And even if it doesn't make contact, to check your ends on it to make sure they're clean. And like I said, you could take some contact cleaner or sometimes even maybe some baking soda or something like that in there to kind of clean off the corrosion before you go replace these bulbs. Alright folks, once again I wanted to make this video to show you what could be the problem with your outdoor lighting bulbs, just in case for some reason they stop working. It may not be that your bulbs are actually blown. It could be that the end of it, one of these ends could have corrosion on it that's going to stop it from working. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.